Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have iPhone 11, very beautiful color. Is it in yellow color right now? So bad news is that the skin is already damaged. You can see the lines. We call them this thing we call them inner bleed. The skin is bleeding from the inside. So there is no other way solution. There is only one way solution to have to change the screen. So I already opened the bottom screw, you can see here, and there I already place it. So for bottom screw you have to use 5-star screw, so you can use it for that to open this one. So and the skin is already I heat up with the help of heat gun. So I let you know how you can heat the screen. So you have to use this pattern. When you are going to heat your screen, you just need to use heat gun like that, and then back again. We don't heat up the top section because there is a camera. If you heat up the camera, your camera will be damaged. So we just need to pull out the screen. So we have to heat up only right, bottom, left, left, bottom, right. So this is the procedure to heat up your screen. So I already heat up the screen. So for pull out the screen, I will use blade. Always pull out your screen from the bottom side, because on the top section there is a face ID that can be damaged while you are going to open screen from the top of the side. So I am going to open this one. So use the blade. I am going to put blade here. So now I am going to pull out this one, and here you can see the skin get little bit out. So I am going to use my nails to open the screen here. The other way, you can use the plastic pen if you don't want to damage your nails. So this is the professional way. So I am going to use, so and here we go. I just use the plastic pen here. So like that, you just need to open the screen here. And for the right section, I'm going to use my nails for that. Okay, so skin will be like that. Okay, you can see. Okay, once you open the screen from the bottom section, you just need to flip your skin from the right side. Don't flip the screen from the left side, because there is a screen flexes that are attached on the right side, and the face ID also attached on the right side, not on the left side. So you just need to be careful when you try to pull out your screen. Okay, so here I am going to try this screen first, like this one. So I can easily flip the screen on the right side. So here you can see the skin is now open. Now I'm going to flip the screen on the right side. Here you can see the flexes that are saved right now. So now I'm going to take some support to hold my screen. Here is it. So first we have to open the screen, and there are 1 2 3 4 and 5 screws on the board. First we are going to open. For these screws open, you just need to use 3-star screwdriver. So here I am going to use that one. So now I am going to take off the plate. Here is it. I take it off. So now I am going to unplug the LCD flexes. So here are 1 and 2 flexes for the screen, and the third one is for the face ID. So I am going to unplug the face ID as well. So here is it. So I can take this one. Now we have to turn off this phone. When you are going to repair the phone, you just need to unplug the battery first. But in this case, you can see the LCD flex is on the top of the battery flex, so we can do like that. So first we have to unplug the LCD. Now I am going to switch off the phone for the safe side. Okay, because screen is just like your eyes. You just close your eyes but your brain is working. Now similar same like applies here as well. So here I am going to turn off this phone. So the phone is turned off. Now I will plug the again the battery here. So now we can move to the process of LCD face ID. Okay, so here is the LCD. Now I am going to open this one. Here is the LCD. So here is, I gonna remove the protection of this LCD. Now this is sheet. Here I should remove the sheet. Now we have to take off the face ID of the my old screen. Here is the face ID, and the face ID there is 1, 2 and 3 screws for 4 star, and the third and fourth one is on the corner of the face ID. So there is this one is 3 star one. Okay, first we have to open the screws. So here I am going to open these screws. And the fourth one is 3 stars, so we have to change the screw and we need to open that one as well. Here is it. So I open all the screws. Now you can flip out the face ID, but there is one more problem. When you are going to hold this face ID, you just need to do like this, and there is a protection on the top. So when you are going to pull out the face ID, sometimes it get damaged. For the better safe side, you can heat up the screen like this, and use with the use of heat gun you can heat it here. It gets soft, so you can easily pull out this face ID as well. Okay, so I am going to use this one with my I will same do the process with my heat gun right now. Okay guys, I heat up the screen with the use of heat gun. Now I am going to pull out the face ID. You just need to be careful for that. Look, now it easily can take it off like this. Here we go. I take off it. Now I'm going to place face ID on my new screen. Here we go. Now I'm going to place my all screw on the screen now. Here we go. Now I am going to change the screwdriver again. Now it's 4 star one. So face ID is done. Now we are going to again plug our face ID. So first we have to do this one plug. No, first we have to place the plate so of our battery one. So here is it. So once again for double check, I am going to unplug and plug the battery again. Now I'm going to use 3 star screw to place the plate of my battery. Okay. So here we go. Now we're going to place the our LCD. So first I will plug my display flexes. Here is done. Now I'm going to use port here. Now I'm going to plug my face ID as well. Here we go. So now I'm going to place my display plates on the motherboard. Here's the second one. Now I'm going to try third one. Here's the fourth. And here's the fifth and last. So here we go. Now I can remove the sport. Okay mate, this is screen. When you are going to place your screen on the body, when you are going to take off the screen, we use the bottom procedure. Now when we are going to place the screen, and now we do the top from the top. Okay, so I just did like this. Now I'm going to move like that. Okay, you can see here like this and move like that. And this skin is inside screen, so sometimes it doesn't fit on the body, so you just need to hold like that. Okay, so here we go. The skin is placed. Now we are going to tight the bottom screws. For bottom screws we use 5-star screwdriver. Here's it. So I will place it here inside and I'm going to use that one. Now the second last, here is it. So I'm going to place it again here and I'm going to use that one. Here we go. The screen is fine. Now we're going to turn on our phone. So I just hold the power button right now. Okay, sometimes phone doesn't turn on when you are going to try to turn on, so you need to use charging cable, place inside the phone, automatically get charged and is turned on. Okay, so in my case the phone's turned on, so I am going to wait here. Now it's turn on. Look, the important message, this display message, because the skin is not original, so it already show me the skin is not original. Okay, so my skin is working fine. Here I'm going to test like this. Everything's working fine. Okay, so this is the process and this is the simple way you can replace the screen of your iPhone 11 in your home, and you can order screen online, and this is the way. So now this phone look very beautiful with this display. Everything's fine, you can see here. So this is the video. So if this video a little bit help you, like this video, share this video to your friends and family, and like this video and subscribe my channel. So see ya guys, take care.